What's that?
This.
I think that goes with it. Yeah. Oh, it's the kitchen? Is it?
This.
What is it?
Oh, you open it.
What is it, Logie? Is this a light?
Yeah. It's white. What's white?
It's a light.
See, what's this?
Do you like it?
See,
Yeah,
it's white.
it is a light. Do you like it? Mommy found this for you. Do these go in here? And what's all this stuff?
It's a bowl.
Oh, I think this goes in here.
Wait. Here.
This is your workbench. This might be a tool belt. Look at all the wood.
Black. See? Black. There you go.
Thank you. Hey, look, yeah, I think this goes on there.
I knew. I knew.
And you need a screwdriver? Oh.
This. Wait.
And this goes
Wait.
in here? I don't know, where do the pegs go? Oh, they go in there. They're hooks to hang your stuff on.
This.
See, you hang your school bus off of it. See, it's a bus.
See? See? I'm talking to you. Bye. Bye. See you. Bye. See? Uh-oh.
What's that?
No, thank you. So I'm making boobas. And this horse. And do that?
Yeah.
This horse. You cook it. This is the oven.
Are you going to cook it in the oven? Are you sure that's an oven?
There's a cook it. Booba. Oh no, it's that. It's that.
I don't know.
There's a horse. Wait. Tie down. There you go. There's a cook it.
Hey, what's this? Oh, things go in there too?
Go now.
What are you doing?
I'm making.
You're making?
Yeah.
What are you making?
Oh no, eat it.
No?
No, eat it.
No? Nobody's gonna eat it?
See? What's that?
I think that's a bolt. You can call it your kitchen. Most people call it their workbench.
It's a light.
That's a light.
Oh.
It's your workbench. You get to work on your cars. Or you get to work on your nanas. See? You gotta have your workbench in your garage. You can work on the chick magnet?
It's O.
What?
It's O.
It's an O?
It's an O. See? O.
Yeah, you could look at it as an O.
I did it.
Mm-hmm. Where does it go? Can you hang it on the hook?
Well, chicken.
Oh, it's chicken?
Cook it. It's too hot. It's too hot.
No, touch it. It's hot.
No, touch it.
What are you doing?
I make it.
You're gonna make it?
Yes.
Are you cooking?
Yes.
Hey, can you tell Mama thank you?
Thank you.
Mama got this for you.
What's that?
It's a belt.
Belt?
Uh-huh. I think. Hey, hey, can you look at me? I love you.
It's like this.
All right.
It's this.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to everybody. I'm taking a video.
Happy
Say bye-bye.
Green.